back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to write the ABCs. First, let's start with A. Guys, this is how you write the letter A. Now let's do B. This is how you write B. Now let's write C. This is the letter C. Wait guys, I don't remember what's next.
D.
D, okay. This is the letter D. Let's write the letter F.
Good job. Now what's after F? You can sing the song to remind you. A, B, C, D, E. Oh, we skipped E. It's A, B, C, D, E. After D is E. So do E.
This is the letter E.
That's correct. Now H. Good job.
H. Maybe like 3 and 8. Is it G?
H, I.
Okay, let's write the letter I. I like to color in there. Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Good job. After I, J.
J. J. Lowercase j.
K.
K. Okay. Okay. Guys, do you feel me? Do you? This is the letter K.
Good job. H, I, J, K, L, M.
M. Okay, now it's N.
Good job.
N. This is the letter S. Yeah. Cool, guys. I see.
What's after N?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, N.
No, L, M, N, O.
Oh, it's easy peasy word squeezy. It's just like a circle. You just have to do around. No. There. Oh.
Good job. What's after O?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Wait, did we miss G?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, yeah, we missed G, so do G.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. I was like, did we even miss G?
Good job.
No.
Good job. Now that's G.
G.
We skip G, but that's not a problem. Now we go to, after all, we go H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P. Yeah.
This is
Good job.
letter P.
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P.
Q.
Q. Good job.
Wait, it's Q like this?
I'm gonna find out. I'm not gonna help you until you write it.
Okay.
You have to teach us.
Okay.
You have to teach the people that are watching.
Hey guys, I forgot what the U looks like. Comment down below what the U looks like.
You mean Q?
Q.
Yeah. Write it. Just try and I'll correct you, okay? Just try your best.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Keep going.
Is it like this?
We want to do Q. Q. H-I-J-K-N-O-M-N-O-P. Q.
I don't know how to write. I don't remember how to write Q.
Uh-oh. Athina, let's go help her write Q. Athina is gonna write Q. Athina, it's your turn to shine, okay?
Yeah, it's your turn to shine.
Take the pen and you're gonna do a circle. Athina, sit right here. Look. We're gonna do like a circle. And then we just do a line right here. That's cute. Yeah, good job, Athina. You did it. Yay! Now it's your turn to show the people.
Okay.
Good job.
Wait.
Yeah. But the line can't go down like that, honey. You see this one right here?
Yeah.
The line is to the side. So when you do a circle, try again. Do a circle. And then do a small line like right here. Small line right here. Yeah.
This is how you write Q.
Alright, what's next?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Is it R?
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of just like the letter P, or you have to go like a line here. That's how you write it.
Good job.
E.
What's next?
Q, R, S.
Mm-hmm. Good job.
No. Okay, guys. I think
You wrote 5.
Yeah, I did.
Right at S. Try again.
I'm gonna try again.
Yes. Good job.
Yes, that's an S.
Now show it.
This is the letter S. H, I, J, K, L, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, T.
Mm-hmm. Write it big. T.
Oh my goodness.
You can do it. You got this. You know all those letters. You can do it. T is not hard. It's only 2 lines.
2 lines?
Mm-hmm.
I forgot.
It's okay. Keep trying. That's why you need to learn, honey. Maybe you spend too much time on the tablet.
Oh.
You gotta learn. Well, how you do T? So do a top line on the top, okay? Like,
Oh, I remember now.
yeah, there you go. Now show it. Show it good. Show it good.
This is the letter T.
Good job.
T,
Next
T,
one.
T. T. U.
Mm-hmm. U is next.
You.
Good job. And then V is next.
V.
Mm-hmm. U, V.
V.
Good job. No, that's Y. That's not V.
Oh.
Yeah, you have to do V again. You had it. There's no line that's needed in the bottom. Try again. Nope, that's like a U. A V is like 2 lines like this and like this. A U is like this, but a V is like a cricket line.
Okay.
Try again with V. Yes.
The cricket line.
Show it good.
V.
Good job. Next one.
Okay, is it a W?
Yep.
W.
All right. Next one. W X X X.
X mark
Good
the
job.
spots. X.
All right. Now it's X Y.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And then do the line. Yep. That's it.
Okay.
Yep. Show it. All right. Now last letter.
The final one.
Okay.
Z. Okay. Oh.
Come on. Try again for Z.
Okay. Messing up.
Okay, Athina is gonna come help you again.
Again.
Athina, we gotta help her again. She don't know how to write Z. Okay.
I
With
tried.
the marker. Z is written like. Oops. Good job, Athina. Yay! Okay. Let me go here. You write it now.
Okay.
Do the same thing. And then do the line in the middle. Good job. Now show it. Good job. Now sing can you sing us the ABC song, the alphabet song?
Yeah.
Loud and don't mess up. Ready, set, go.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay, guys. So I hope I tell you to write the ABCs now. Like and subscribe, comment down below, and share this video, and see us in the comments. Bye.